Hello everyone, I'm Joby Jacob Mejos from BS Mathematics, College of Science, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, and he's Linus Luigi Divino from Pio Valenzuela Elementary School. So today, the lesson for today is all about proportion. And how do we solve unknown numbers using proportion? So first, proportion. Just define the word ratio. Ratio is the comparison between the two quantities. So, in proportion is equality between the root two ratios. So, how do we test if the two ratios is a proportion? Just simply look at this example. I have here A is to B is equal to C is to D. To test if the two ratios are equal, multiply the parts. This is the first part. Means. This is means. And the outer part will be what? Extremes. Yeah. So to get if they are equal, multiply get the product of means BC and test if they're equal to the product of the extremes. If they're equal, therefore it is proportion. Let's take for example. This is a sample problem. A car travels in a distance of 19 km within 2 hours. How far will it go if it travels from 6 hours? It is easy. Okay. So how to resolve this? So first, denote the problem into its ratio form. So in 90 kilometers, 90 kilometers is to 2 hours, right?
Yes.
Is equal to how far will it go if it travels for 6 hours? The given R is 6 R. So denote the unknown as N. Okay? So denote the R as N. Okay, so 90 km is to 2R is equal to N is to 6 hours. So how do we solve that? So first multiply the means. So 2 times N. What?
Was N
2 N. Then 90 times 6. Okay, write it down first. 90 times 6. So 2N is equal to
540.
540. Okay, so next, divide all both sides by 2 to get the value of N. So divide this by 2, divide this by 2. So N now will be 270. To check if it is correct, substitute N here and then multiply. 270 times 2 is 540 and 90 times 6 is also 540. So our equation and our proportion are equal. Okay, so this one is the practice exercises. The scene. Yeah. So this is the practice exercises that will be Linus will be answered. So let's answer.
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say.
Okay, so he get 5/5 at this exam. Hey guys, thank you for watching and I hope that you like this video. If you have comments and suggestions, write them below. So thank you again everyone and God bless.
I won't stop moving.